Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. As you may know, Microsoft has released to Beta Insider Preview channel the latest version of Windows 11. This version is called Windows 11 22H2 and it's coming with some great improvements. If you want to see these new improvements and features of this version, please check another video on my channel and the link about that you can find in the description below. So now the question is, can unsupported devices of Windows 11 get this update? The short answer is yes. Basically, my computer is not supported from Windows 11, but I have installed it. And if you want to see the performance of Windows 11 on unsupported PC, please check another video that I have done. You can find the link on the description below. If you want to know how you can install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, please also check the link on the description below and you can find a very nice video where it's explained shortly how you can install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. You can check if your computer satisfies the requirements of Windows 11 by using the application PC Health Check. And as you can see, my processor is not supported from Windows 11. But let's go at settings and let's see actually which version of Windows 11 I have installed. And for that we need to go over System and then we go down till we find About. And as we can see over here, the version that is installed on my computer is version 22H2, which is the latest version of Windows 11. If we go over Windows Update, we can see that my computer is up to date. But if we go over Windows Insider program, we can see over here that actually I have installed the latest build version of Windows 11, but Microsoft is informing me that there may be issues and bugs that impact your experience. But actually till now I didn't had any bad experience with Windows 11 on unsupported PC and specifically also with this latest version of Windows 11, which is Windows 11 22H2 version. So basically, if you take the risk to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, you have still the chances to get the latest versions of Windows 11. How long this will last, we don't know that, but till now we can still use Windows 11 on unsupported PC. And I believe that this will go for some time. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you liked this video and please leave your comments and your experiences on the description below. Thanks a lot for watching.